Well, hi guys, and welcome to this week's video from Veg Grower Podcast. Earlier today, I went down the allotment and picked up this cabbage, and now I'm going to try and make something a bit special with it on the barbecue. So, I'm going to prepare that, and then while it cooks, I've got a pallet that I want to take apart, and I want to show you how I take apart pallets. So let's get this on the go. Something we're of course going to need: gloves and goggles, health and safety and all that. I'm not a huge health and safety fan, but at the same time I don't want to get hurt, so makes sense, doesn't it? Now the first tool I'm going to use is this. It's a type of crowbar designed for lifting floorboards and stuff, but I use it to first take off the easy bits of wood. Of course, we're going to need a pallet, which I happen to have right here. So let's lay this down and I'll show you what we do. Now, what I found with pallets is that these ones in the corner where you've got the block have a lot more nails through them than these ones in the centre. Because of that, it's harder to get the ones on the corners or where the block is apart without splitting them. But the ones here tend to come apart quite easy. Just gently lift it under and up it pops. And there we go, our first piece lifted. So we'll put that to one side. And now done that with the next one, and that's sorted. So now all I've got with this pallet now is something considerably lighter anyway. I've just now got to get these blocks off, which, as I said, they tend to have several nails in them. So we'll start on this back side. And for this, I'm going to need my reciprocating saw. Now, you might be wondering why I bother going to all this hassle to take apart a pallet when, well, wood's quite cheap. But I use pallets quite a lot. I've used them to make the beds on my allotment as well, and a basket to carry stuff in. And I think they're a great source of wood for many projects, not just making compost bins out of. But my reciprocating saw has a bimetallic blade in it, and that's designed to cut metal and wood. This one is actually 203mm long, should be enough to do what I want to do. So all I'm going to do is try and get the blade between the plank and the block. Now I've just got to repeat this on every single piece. as you can see, I'm now down to the top bit. This is going to come apart really easy now. They're not quite going to pull off just yet. So, back again to the reciprocating store and cutting those nails by slicing it through the bits of wood. Oh, there we go. That's got that pallet taken apart, and it's taken me, let's have a look at the time now, shall we? I don't need these on now. It's probably half hour, I suppose. Yeah, half an hour to take apart one pallet, and I've made 0 losses. So all that wood that I've used will be used. The planks will be used probably for making signs, to be honest, but they can also be used for beds, or even making another one of these should I feel the need. Now the blocks themselves I use either in the fireplace to burn, or I also put them underneath pots to use as a wedge to lift them off the ground. They work quite well for that. Anyway, that's how I take apart a pallet. Pretty easy to do. Let's go have a look and see how the cabbage is coming along. Well, this is looking nicely charred and cooked. Yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. It'll go nice on some sort of burgers or something, I think. Kind of cabbage and butter and garlic and onion all mixed up. So pretty good actually. So well, thank you very much for watching this week. I've been a bit of a loss with what to do for various reasons, but this yeah, I needed a pallet, I needed wood, so that's how I take them apart. Now of course you probably have a different way of taking pallets apart, and that's completely up to you. That's how I take them apart, purely because I don't make any loss. Anyway, if you like, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again next time.